Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
Hi, friends. I'm Napoleon.
And I'm MonaLisa. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, because today's topic is something almost everyone struggles with.
True. We're talking about overthinking.
Oh boy, that word alone makes my brain tired.
Same here. But don't worry, we'll talk slowly and clearly so you can learn English and also learn how to think more peacefully.
So, first question, MonaLisa. What is overthinking?
Good question. Overthinking means thinking too much about something, repeating ideas or worries again and again in your head.
Ah, yes, like when I keep replaying a mistake I made last week.
Exactly. Or when you imagine many bad situations that never happen.
So, it's not normal thinking, it's extra thinking, thinking that doesn't help.
Yes, it's like your mind becomes a hamster running in a wheel, moving fast but going nowhere.
I love that image, running in circles.
Everyone thinks, but overthinking means you can't stop.
You worry about the past, fear the future, and forget to enjoy the present.
That's perfectly said.
So, overthinking is like a heavy suitcase we carry everywhere.
True. It makes everything tiring, even small things.
Okay, how do we know if we are overthinking?
Let's make a list for our listeners.
Number 1, you worry a lot, even about small things.
Number 2, you keep replaying conversations in your head. Why did I say that?
Number 3, you imagine many what ifs. What if I fail? What if people laugh?
Number 4, you can't make decisions easily. You keep thinking and thinking.
Number 5, you feel tired even when you did nothing physical.
Yes, because overthinking uses so much mental energy.
Right, it's like running a machine all day without rest.
When I overthink, I notice I breathe shallowly and time passes fast.
For me, I sometimes can't sleep at night because my brain doesn't stop topping.
Oh, I know that feeling very well.
So friends, if your mind feels busy all the time, maybe you're overthinking too.
Don't worry, you're not alone. We all do it, but we can learn to calm it down.
That's a good question. Why do we do it?
Several reasons. One big reason is fear.
Yes, we fear making mistakes, so we think too much before acting.
Or we fear people's opinions.
Another reason is perfectionism.
True. We want everything perfect, so we overanalyze every small detail.
Also, sometimes our brain just wants to protect us.
Yes, it tries to find danger. It's like our mind saying, be careful, be safe.
But when that alarm never stops, we can't feel peace.
We also overthink when we have too much time but not enough action.
Yes, idle time feeds thinking too much.
So, fear, perfectionism, and lack of action are big reasons for overthinking.
And maybe also lack of self-trust.
Oh, that's deep. When we don't believe we can handle life, we try to control it with thoughts.
Yes, but that control is just an illusion. It makes stress worse.
Let's talk about what overthinking does to us. It can make us tired, anxious, and less productive. Yes, overthinking steals time and joy.
I once spent half a day worrying about sending an email. I wrote it, deleted it, rewrote it. In the end, nothing changed.
Oh no, poor Napoleon.
Yes, that's overthinking. Lots of effort, no result.
It also affects health, headaches, insomnia, muscle tension.
And emotionally, you feel stuck, like walking in deep mud.
Yes, you can't move forward when you live in mental noise.
Overthinking can even stop creativity and confidence.
Definitely. You doubt everything, even your good ideas.
Some people ask, but Napoleon, isn't thinking good? We need to think.
Yes, there's a big difference between thinking and overthinking.
Thinking helps you plan and solve problems.
Overthinking, however, repeats problems again and again without solutions.
Thinking feels clear and short. Overthinking feels heavy and endless.
Exactly. Helpful thinking says, I'll do this. Overthinking says, maybe, but what if?
So you can ask yourself, are my thoughts helping me or hurting me?
That's a great question to notice your mental pattern. Napoleon, do you remember a time you overthought something?
Oh, yes. When I started my first YouTube video, I planned everything: lighting, microphone, script, but kept finding small problems.
What happened?
I delayed uploading it for 3 months.
Overthinking steals time indeed.
When I finally posted it, people liked it. I realized I wasted months for nothing.
I also have a story. I once worried for days about a message I sent to my friend. I kept checking if she was angry, rereading our chat. What happened in the end?
She just replied later saying she was busy. See, my brain created a movie that wasn't real.
Wow, our mind can be a great storyteller, but not always a true one.
Let's help our listeners. How can we stop overthinking? Let's make some easy steps at A2 level so everyone can try. Step 1. Notice it.
First, notice when you start overthinking.
Awareness is the first step to change.
Step 2, breathe. Take slow, deep breaths to calm the body.
Because a calm body means a calm mind.
Step 3, write it down.
Yes, write your thoughts on paper. When you write, the thoughts leave your head.
Step 4, ask, can I control this?
That's powerful. If yes, take action. If not, let it go. Worrying about things you can't control is just wasted energy.
Step 5, do something small.
Action breaks the cycle. Clean your table, take a walk, call a friend. Yes, moving the body helps move the mind.
Step 6, limit what-if questions.
Replace what if I fail with what if I succeed. Positive what ifs give hope instead of fear.
Step 7, practice present thinking.
Focus on now, not yesterday or tomorrow, just today. Look around, feel your breath, notice colors and sounds.
Step 8, accept imperfection.
Yes, things don't have to be perfect to be good. Yes, even this podcast is not perfect, but we're doing our best.
Yes, exactly.
I think overthinking is often a sign that we don't trust ourselves enough.
True. When you believe in your decision, you stop asking again and again.
But self-trust grows with practice.
Yes, the more you act, the more you see that you can handle life.
Friends, think of your past. You survived many things.
So trust yourself. You can survive new things too.
Trust is the medicine for overthinking.
I like that. Trust is medicine. Napoleon, many listeners might say, I can't sleep because I overthink.
Yes, nighttime is the favorite time for overthinking.
Because everything is quiet, only our minds are loud.
One tip is write your thoughts before bed.
Yes, like a thinking notebook, so thoughts stay there, not in your head.
Also, switch off screens at least 30 minutes before sleep.
Right. Light from the phone makes the brain more active.
Listening to soft music or doing slow breathing helps too.
Some people like to count blessings instead of problems.
Nice. Gratitude replaces worry with calm.
Overthinking can hurt relationships too, right?
Oh, yes. We imagine what others think about us even if they didn't say anything.
We also overanalyze messages or looks. Why did he say it like that? Sometimes people are just tired or busy, not angry.
Exactly. Overthinking builds stories without facts.
The best cure is simple communication. Ask, don't imagine.
Very true. Saying, "Hey, are we okay?" is better than worrying for days. I once overthought my school presentations.
Me too. I kept editing slides forever.
Work and school create pressure to be perfect.
Yes, but progress is more important than perfection.
So maybe do your best and let it go.
Exactly. And remember, most people don't notice small mistakes you worry about.
That's true. We think everyone is watching us, but they are busy thinking about themselves.
Yes, that's the secret truth. Many people overthink about the future, jobs, money, family.
Yes, but the future isn't here yet. It's still being made.
Worrying too much only steals peace from today.
Exactly. We can plan but not predict everything.
I like to remember this sentence: do your best and leave the rest.
Beautiful. Action today creates a better tomorrow, not endless worry. We also overthink past mistakes.
Oh, yes, like replaying bad memories. Why did I do that?
But the past can't be changed.
Right. The only thing we can change is what we do now.
Forgive yourself, learn the lesson, and move forward.
Exactly. The past should teach, not torture.
MonaLisa, let's share some tools we can use daily.
Good idea.
Tool 1. Breathing exercises.
Tool 2, journaling thoughts.
Tool 3. Taking regular walks outside.
Tool 4, talking with a trusted friend.
Tool 5. Mindful hobbies like painting or gardening.
Tool 6, limiting news and social media.
Yes, too much information feeds overthinking.
Tool 7, practicing gratitude every night.
These may look simple, but they really bring peace.
Discipline and overthinking sound like opposites, right?
Yes, discipline means clear action. Overthinking means stuck thinking.
Exactly. When you train yourself to act on time, you have less space to overthink.
So routines help reduce worry.
Yes, a structured day gives safety to the mind.
Like saying, this is the time to plan and this is the time to rest.
Beautiful balance.
People who overthink often doubt themselves.
True. They ask, am I good enough? Again and again.
Confidence means accepting that mistakes are normal.
Exactly. You do your best and let go of control.
The more you act, the more confidence grows.
So, action kills doubt.
Yes, small actions daily build courage faster than hours of thinking. Mindfulness means focusing on the here and now.
Right. It's a strong medicine for overthinking.
For example, noticing your breath or the sound of birds brings you back to the present.
Yes, the present moment is safe. The past and future are only in your mind.
So living in the present is like coming home from a noisy place.
That's a beautiful image. Sometimes overthinking comes from focusing on what we don't have.
Yes, gratitude changes that focus.
Every night, say thank you for 3 small things.
It trains your brain to see good, not fear.
When you're thankful, you stop trying to control every outcome.
Exactly. Gratitude gives peace. Control gives pressure. How can we help someone else who overthinks a lot?
Good question. Listen to them without judging.
Yes. Don't say, just stop thinking. That never helps.
Right. Instead, say, I understand. Let's find one small step together.
Or invite them to do something fun and active. It breaks the mental loop.
Kindness and patience are the best support. Let's try a short reflection exercise for our listeners.
Okay.
Close your eyes if you can. Take a slow breath.
Inhale and exhale.
Think of one thing you worried about recently that didn't turn out so bad.
Maybe that exam, phone call, or meeting.
Notice you survived it, right?
Yes, every time we survive, our proof of strength grows.
Now say quietly, I can handle life step by step.
Beautiful. Some people find peace through faith or spirituality.
True, belief in something bigger can quiet constant worry.
It reminds us we don't control everything, and that's okay.
Faith, whatever your belief system, means trust.
Trust replaces fear with hope.
Exactly. Faith tells overthinking, you are not alone.
You know, Napoleon, the positive side is that overthinkers are usually deep thinkers.
Yes, they care, they pay attention.
So the goal isn't to remove thinking, it's to guide it.
Right, like turning a wild river into useful energy.
When you guide your thoughts, they can help you grow in wisdom. So overthinking isn't a weakness, just untamed strength.
Beautifully said. Let's give our friends a 1-week challenge.
Okay.
This week, every time you notice you're overthinking, pause and write your thought on paper.
Then ask yourself, can I control this? Yes or no?
If the answer is no, let it go. If yes, take one small action.
After 1 week, you will see how many thoughts disappear peacefully.
And you'll feel lighter, freer, and calmer.
Let's quickly summarize for everyone.
Sure.
1. Overthinking means thinking too much and going in circles.
2. It usually comes from fear, perfectionism, or lack of action.
3. It makes us tired, stressed, and unproductive.
4. To stop it, notice it, breathe, write, and act.
5. Trust yourself and accept imperfection.
6. Stay in the present moment and practice gratitude.
7. Believe that life can be simple again.
Napoleon, what's the last thing we want our listeners to remember today?
That peace starts from inside. When you calm your mind, life feels easier.
Yes, you can't control every thought, but you can choose which one to follow.
Friends, you don't need to solve everything today.
Just take one breath, one step, one moment at a time.
Overthinking says, what if?
Peace says, even if, I'll be okay.
Thank you for joining us on the Napoleon and MonaLisa podcast.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share this episode with someone who worries too much.
We love reading your comments and stories.
Until next time, keep learning English and keep being gentle with your thoughts.
You are doing better than you think.
Bye-bye.